Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly capture a woman's attention while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The truth is, attraction is not about expensive gifts, flashy looks, or saying all the right words. It is about psychology, the subtle ways you trigger emotions, create mystery, and spark desire in a woman's mind. Female psychology works very differently from male psychology, and when you understand these patterns, you unlock the ability to make a lasting impression. Women are not obsessed with surface-level things. They become obsessed when a man makes them feel seen, desired, and intrigued. In this video, we are going to explore powerful yet practical strategies that any man can use to ignite this kind of deep fascination. By the end, you will understand how to naturally attract women without chasing, forcing, or pretending to be someone you are not. 1. Confidence that speaks without words. When it comes to making a woman truly obsessed with you, confidence is the first and most powerful factor. But here is the catch. Confidence is not about bragging, showing off, or trying to dominate. True confidence is silent, steady, and deeply rooted in how you carry yourself. Women notice the smallest details, the way you walk into a room, the calmness in your voice, and how you handle situations that would normally rattle others. These subtle cues speak louder than anything you could say. Female psychology is wired to notice strength and stability because on an instinctive level, these qualities signal reliability and safety. Confidence without arrogance creates a magnetic pull. If you believe in yourself, others will naturally believe in you. For instance, when you speak with intention. Avoid rushing your words or second-guessing yourself. Even in silence, hold eye contact with ease. This balance between calm energy and quiet certainty communicates that you do not need external validation to feel valuable, and that is extremely attractive. Women also become intrigued when you are comfortable in your own skin. If you are the kind of man who does not seek approval constantly, it sends the message that you already know your worth. That makes her curious to earn your attention instead of the other way around. Many men make the mistake of overcompensating, trying too hard to impress with money, status, or excessive flattery. But psychology shows that when something seems too available, people value it less. By holding yourself with self-assurance and not desperately seeking her approval, you create a challenge that makes her want to invest more. Another psychological element at play is resilience. A confident man does not crumble under rejection or pressure. Imagine you ask a woman out and she declines. Instead of sulking or appearing defeated, you smile, thank her, and move on without bitterness. This shows emotional strength. Surprisingly, women often reconsider a man who handles rejection with grace because it signals maturity and inner power. Confidence also extends to how you lead in your own life. You do not need to control her, but you should demonstrate control over your goals, habits, and direction. Having a sense of purpose is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. When you are actively working on becoming the best version of yourself, whether through fitness, career growth, or personal discipline, women naturally see you as a man of value. In essence, confidence is not about shouting the loudest or being the most aggressive. It is about quiet strength, emotional steadiness, and self-assured actions that show you know who you are. When a woman experiences this kind of confidence, she begins to see you as a man unlike the rest. That is when obsession starts to take root. Not because of what you said, but because of how your presence made her feel. 2. The power of mystery. If confidence draws a woman in, mystery keeps her hooked. Female psychology thrives on curiosity, and nothing sparks curiosity more than a man who does not reveal everything about himself right away. When a woman feels like there is always more to learn about you, she becomes invested in discovering the hidden layers. This sense of unpredictability creates emotional tension, which can easily turn into obsession. One of the most common mistakes men make is oversharing too quickly. In an effort to connect, they unload their entire life story, their struggles, and their intentions within the first few conversations. While honesty is important, flooding a woman with too much information removes the natural intrigue that makes her want to know more. A mysterious man is careful with his words. He shares just enough to spark curiosity, but leaves space for her imagination to wander. Mystery does not mean being secretive in a suspicious or manipulative way. Instead, it is about pacing what you reveal and maintaining an aura of unpredictability. For example, if she asks about your hobbies, you can share one or two, but leave others for her to discover later. If she asks about your day, you do not have to give a detailed breakdown. Just hint at something interesting you did and let her wonder about the rest. These subtle gaps make her mind fill in the blanks, and psychology shows that what people imagine often feels more powerful than what they are told directly. Another way to build mystery is through your actions. Do not always be available at her beck and call. If she texts you, respond with kindness, but not instant desperation. Let her wonder what you are doing that keeps you occupied. This balance communicates that while she is important, your life does not revolve around her. That makes you appear valuable, and people always want what seems valuable and slightly out of reach. Mystery is also amplified by how you present your emotions. Instead of being predictable and always saying, "I like you" or "I miss you" at every opportunity, show it subtly through actions and let her sense the depth of your feelings without needing constant words. For example, a quiet gesture, a thoughtful compliment, or simply your presence at the right time creates a deeper impact than repetitive declarations. Psychology reveals that women bond more deeply when they feel emotionally invested in solving a puzzle. If you give her everything up front, there is no puzzle to solve. But if she constantly feels like she is uncovering new aspects of your personality, she will naturally keep thinking about you even when you are not around. That ongoing curiosity is what transforms attraction into obsession. Ultimately, mystery is about restraint and balance. Do not try to control her perception, but let her imagination do the work. A woman who feels there is always more to discover about you will never get bored, and that is the foundation of lasting obsession. 3. Emotional connection that runs deep. While confidence and mystery spark attraction, what truly transforms a woman's interest into obsession is emotional connection. Female psychology is highly attuned to emotions because women naturally process relationships through feelings rather than logic alone. When a man can connect with her on a deeper emotional level, he separates himself from every other man who only offers surface-level attention. This depth makes her feel like you are irreplaceable. Emotional connection is built through active listening. Most men hear, but very few actually listen. When a woman speaks about her experiences, fears, or dreams, she is not just looking for advice. She is looking for someone who makes her feel understood. If you can reflect her emotions back to her without judgment, she will feel an immediate bond. For example, if she talks about a stressful day at work, instead of quickly offering solutions, you can say, "That must have felt overwhelming. I can see why it frustrated you." By validating her emotions, you show empathy, which is a cornerstone of female psychology. Shared vulnerability also strengthens emotional ties. Women are drawn to men who can open up selectively, not in a way that overshares or seeks pity, but in a way that reveals authenticity. If you occasionally let her see your fears, ambitions, or lessons from past failures, she feels trusted. Trust creates intimacy, and intimacy fuels obsession. When she feels like she knows a side of you that the rest of the world does not, she develops a special attachment that keeps her emotionally hooked. Consistency is another powerful psychological factor. Emotional connection thrives when a woman knows she can rely on you. If you are caring one day, but distant the next, she will feel unstable and pull away. But if you are consistent in your actions, checking in, showing up, and staying true to your word, she will feel safe investing her emotions in you. Safety is essential because a woman cannot become obsessed with a man she does not trust. Another key is creating shared experiences. When you engage in activities together, whether traveling, cooking, working out, or even just late-night conversations, you create memories that her brain emotionally anchors to you. Psychology shows that shared positive experiences release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which deepens attachment. This is why couples who create unique memories often feel closer than those who stick to routine interactions. Humor also plays a role in emotional connection. A man who can make a woman laugh creates joy, and joy is addictive. When she associates your presence with happiness, her brain naturally craves more of you. Laughter reduces stress, lowers barriers, and allows her to feel comfortable being herself around you, which strengthens emotional bonds. In the end, obsession grows not from surface-level attraction, but from how deeply you can connect to her inner world. If she feels that you understand her in ways others cannot, that you accept her without judgment, and that she can truly be herself around you, she will hold on to you emotionally. And once a woman is emotionally attached, her mind and heart will keep circling back to you, turning attraction into an unshakable fixation. 4. The chase and scarcity effect. One of the deepest psychological triggers in female attraction is the chase. Women are naturally drawn to what feels slightly out of reach, and this is where the principle of scarcity comes into play. If something appears too easy to obtain, it is often undervalued. But when a man holds himself with self-respect, creating a balance of interest and independence, he becomes a prize worth pursuing. This dynamic ignites a woman's competitive and curious nature, making her want to invest more effort in winning your attention. The mistake many men make is giving away all their energy too soon. Constant texting, overpraising, and being available at every moment signals that you have nothing else going on in your life. While kindness and attentiveness are important, too much of it too quickly eliminates the mystery and challenge that keep a woman intrigued. Psychology shows that people place higher value on things they must earn. When your attention feels slightly scarce, not because you are playing games, but because you genuinely have a life of purpose, she automatically desires it more. Creating the chase does not mean being cold or manipulative. It means balancing interest with boundaries. For example, if she texts you, you do not always need to reply instantly. Wait until you are free, then respond thoughtfully. This shows that while she matters, you are not sitting around waiting for her validation. Similarly, if you always say yes to every request or plan, you signal that your time has no value. But if you occasionally decline because you are busy with your priorities, she learns to respect your time and sees you as a man with standards. Scarcity also applies to how much of yourself you reveal. If you reveal all your feelings too quickly, she may appreciate it but not feel compelled to work for your affection. Instead, reveal your emotions gradually. Give her enough to know you are interested, but keep her guessing about the full depth of your feelings. That guessing creates emotional tension, and tension is one of the strongest psychological triggers for obsession. Another powerful aspect of the chase is unpredictability. If you always follow the same patterns, calling at the same time, sending the same compliments, she may begin to lose interest. But if you occasionally surprise her with thoughtful gestures or switch up the rhythm of your interactions, she stays intrigued. Unpredictability keeps her wondering, what will he do next? And that curiosity keeps her mentally invested. Of course, balance is key. If you are too distant, she may assume you are not interested and move on. The secret is to be warm and attentive in moments, but also independent and focused on your own life. When a woman feels she cannot fully predict or control your attention, she naturally craves it more. In short, scarcity creates value, and value fuels desire. When you understand how to balance attention with independence, you shift the dynamic. Instead of you chasing her, she begins to chase you. And when a woman chases, her emotional investment grows stronger, turning attraction into obsession. 5. Unforgettable presence. The final step in making a woman obsessed with you is cultivating an unforgettable presence. Confidence, mystery, emotional connection, and the chase are all powerful, but they must be tied together by the way she feels when she is around you. Female psychology is deeply emotional, and women do not just remember what you say or do. They remember how you make them feel. If your presence consistently brings excitement, comfort, and inspiration, she will crave it even in your absence. Presence starts with energy. Some men walk into a room and instantly shift the atmosphere without saying a word. This comes from self-awareness and intentionality. You project positive energy by standing tall, keeping calm in stressful moments, and engaging others with genuine warmth. Women are highly intuitive. They can sense whether a man's energy is uplifting or draining. If you consistently radiate calm strength and positivity, she will associate your presence with stability and joy. Communication style also defines your presence. A man who listens with full attention and speaks with clarity stands out in a world where most people are distracted. Instead of constantly checking your phone or interrupting, give her your undivided attention. Look into her eyes when she speaks, lean in slightly to show engagement, and respond thoughtfully. This level of focus makes her feel like the only person in the room, which is incredibly addictive. Another way to create an unforgettable presence is through touch and physicality. This does not mean being overly forward or inappropriate. It means knowing when and how to establish subtle, respectful contact. A light touch on her back when guiding her through a door, a playful nudge during laughter, or a steady hand when she feels nervous can communicate security and affection without words. Psychology shows that gentle, well-timed touch builds intimacy and anchors emotional experiences to your presence. Your presence is also tied to your lifestyle. If you live a life filled with passion, purpose, and growth, she will want to be part of it. A man who is constantly learning, setting goals, and chasing dreams is magnetic because he inspires others around him. Women are drawn to men who not only live fully, but also invite them into a world of new experiences. When she feels that her life is richer with you in it, she will become emotionally dependent on your presence. Finally, leave her with lasting impressions. After spending time together, let her walk away with a smile, a thought-provoking conversation, or a memory she will replay in her mind. Do not aim for ordinary. Aim for moments that make her pause later and think, "No one else makes me feel this way." That emotional afterglow is what keeps her hooked long after the interaction ends. When your presence lingers in her thoughts, when your energy becomes something she craves, and when every interaction leaves her wanting more, obsession takes root. You are no longer just a man she met. You are the man she cannot forget. Making a woman obsessed with you is not about tricks, manipulation, or pretending to be someone you are not. It is about mastering the psychology of attraction and showing up as a man of value. Confidence draws her in. Mystery keeps her curious. Emotional connection makes her feel safe. The chase builds desire, and your unforgettable presence ensures she cannot let go. Each of these elements works together, creating a powerful dynamic that goes beyond surface attraction and taps into something much deeper: her emotions, her curiosity, and her need for connection. Women do not become obsessed with men who only offer looks or material things. They become obsessed with men who make them feel alive, desired, and valued in ways others cannot. If you embody these traits and live with purpose, you will naturally stand out. She will think of you when she wakes, miss you when you are gone, and feel drawn to you without understanding why. That is the true power of psychology. Now the choice is yours. Apply these insights, and instead of chasing women, watch them begin to chase you.